Hi and welcome to the Market View for Monday the 11th of August 2014. Starting with the 30-minute chart, we can see that we have many signals in the chart, so let's just have a quick look. We've got a losing signal first off. This was a buy. Then we have a sell that wasn't qualified, followed by a reversal that wasn't qualified, and then we have a short where we see the market move lower, a potential buy to reverse the short which wasn't filled, and then a second sell that was also successful, moving to the downside late, sort of late morning, early afternoon there. So starting off with the first one, we've got a loss here, and we had the market being filled. We can see the market trading up to the previous day's high, but unfortunately not holding, and then the weakness came in and the market was just taken out in one fell swoop with a 15 pip per loss there. So there was no chance of doing anything to mitigate the potential loss there, but fortunately it was only a small stop of 15 pips there. Shortly after, at 10 a.m, we get a sell signal, and this one you can see there the market moving lower, trading through the 168 level there. You can see trading through, then trying to come back, and then as the weakness continues, and you can see the selling in the volume at the bottom there, a second sell signal was shown. I'll just draw that back in again. You can see there the market filling this and then trading down to the scalp on this one as well, which also of course coincides with the scalp for the first trade as well there. So you can see that we've managed to pick up around 40 pips there on Friday, doing two trades, but just doing the one there is 20 pips there. And in the daily chart, again, you can see the market moving lower. It's just a one long sort of an inverted V, really. You can see the market going up and coming back down to where really all of the activity took place, where the long side was the best. Now the short side has been the best signals, apart from 2 days that we saw last week, where prices managed to move slightly higher for just those 2 days. The next downside target is going to be the 167.50 in this area. This also brings us back to the support over on the left hand side as well. So we're through the 76% retracement there. Let's just have a look, see what we can do as far as finding any further downside support for the fib retracement. Let's just have a look. If we go to this low to the high, I think you'll find we've already through that, so let's remove the fib from there. Let's try this one, because this is the next one to the downside, and that brings us to around about where the market's trading at the moment. But I'm just going to try one more. We'll go for the low of this bar, because it's the next low to the left of this buy bar here, so we'll just draw that one in. And that gives us an area of where we could expect to see some sort of support. So we're looking at 167.82, and then down to 167.43. Again, just between the psychological areas there. So we'll just save that, so we've got it for future reference as well. So watch out for the psychological levels. That's where the market is going to show some sort of support, in particular the 167.343. And in the news, well, not a lot of news, and it's a strange one this morning, because we've got one of the FOMC members, Fisher, speaking this morning at 8:15, which is slightly odd, because they generally speak towards the evening GMT time, whereas we've got them speaking at 8:15 a.m. So watch out for this morning, because it is the only economic news item that is going to be released for today. And on Friday, the Dow reversing, moving up 185 points from the previous day. So you see the market trading back up there. We've gone through the 76% that we drew in as far as this market is concerned. And so we've got this high to the left to take out, and also the selling bar that we had there as well. So again, the Dow finding a bit of support there. On the overnight market, the Dow is also sideways to higher as well, so there's a bit more support there. And of course, with Fisher speaking from the Fed, expect a bit of volatility in this market first thing this morning as well. And on the implied volatility front, of course, this moving higher with, or rather moving lower as the underlying market moved higher, which is what you'd expect. So it went from 13 point, I think it was 8.4 on Friday to 12.67. So you can see this dropping off down at the bottom here, and the same for the historic as well. So that's a quick roundup of Friday's activity. Fortunately, a few good trades, which is nice to see. And hopefully we'll get a few more today, but it depends how the market reacts to what Fisher's got to say at 8:15, and that will set a precedent for the rest of the trading day. So all things being equal, see you in tomorrow's market view. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching.